So in this question, you're given that you have a set containing x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is prime and x lies in between 3 and 5. So I want my x to be a natural number which has to be prime and which has to be greater than 3 and less than 5. So are there any natural numbers which are greater than 3 and less than 5? Yes, there is only one natural number which is equal to 4. So from this condition, x can be equal to 4 and nothing else. But from this condition, x should also be a prime number. So is it possible that x is equal to 4 and x is prime? No. So these two are opposite conditions. There is no element which is common in this condition and this condition. That means there is no element which satisfies this condition as well as this condition. They are mutually exclusive or opposite conditions. There is no element which satisfies both the conditions. But according to this set, my x has to be a natural number and x has to be prime and this has to be satisfied. So there is no number which satisfies all these conditions. Hence, the answer is a void set. This set does not contain any elements.